I will share how I made LinkedIn work for me, because this is very important. Many people just open their LinkedIn account and then they don't post anything, or else there is no activity. Even they are not able to represent themselves. So it is very important to make a good LinkedIn profile. And I will just share my things, how I made it. So let's get into it. You can see this is my profile. In previous video, I have shared how you can create your own profile. So if you want, you can just check that particular video as well. So looking into my profile, first of all, starting with the content part, the very important point, your activity section must be very interactive. You should post daily or else might be twice or thrice a week, but it is important that you post something. Many people miss on this particular part. They expect that the people will see them what you are doing, or else the recruiter will give them job, even not posting on LinkedIn. But that is not the case. You should post something in order to get the visibility. Even if you are not a content creator and only applying for the job, it is highly important that you post something. That is not to get more followers, but showing to the community that you are active on LinkedIn, building something. But if that is the question, what to post, then you can post about what you are learning, your skill development part, and your projects, everything. Means whatever it might be, you can just share it. It might be a normal post as well. You can see here, I have made some posts. I can show you just for example. Yeah. So it is a quote. Actually, I post daily. It is about mixing the technical stuff, personal stuff, and also some other things, because I'm not only interested in the technical side, but I try to give my opinion on many things. So here are some of my posts, how I make it. So if you want to make a good post, the important thing is you have to write it in a well structured manner. See, just for example, this is an informative post where I have written a short description of it and the link where it can be found. So it will be very simple. You just have to take some efforts. So try to post something. Next thing is about consistency. Means you will post for the first day, second day, third day, but then the students and the people who are posting on LinkedIn, they just give up, and still they think that okay, I have posted, but still LinkedIn is not giving me anything. That's not the thing. If you don't take the efforts and the consistency, then no one is going to help you. In any field, consistency is very important. Even if you want to do something, you have to show up each and every day. So that's the thing. Consistency is the most important part that you cannot forget. Then the next thing is about reaching out people. If you want more network and want better people, you have to reach out to them. Not only the people who are in your class or else in your own division. If you are an engineering student and you have some people in your class, don't only be limited up to them. Reach out to the people who are better than yourself, who are trying to build something. So you can just reach out to them. You can send them DMs and get connected with them, so that you are able to learn from them. And also, you don't know, you might be getting a job or else not, but the important part is to build the network and also try to learn from them. Don't directly go and ask, okay, I am interested in this internship, or else I want a job. No, you can reach out like this, but there are certain criterias for that, so you have to reach out them accordingly. Last point is about adding certain value. Now the thing is, you are posting, you are consistent, you are reaching out to more people, but still if you are not getting the visibility, the thing is you have to add certain value. What do I mean by value? See, if you look at my particular profile, I have not shared many things in this particular video, but still there are a lot many things to be covered. Value means you have to add certain things whenever you are posting or else sharing your opinion. The audience should be able to get something out of it. If they are not able to get something out of it, why they will like and share your post or else even save it? So value is the very important thing while posting. So make sure that whatever you are posting, it is valuable in terms of your journey, your personal posts, or else anything. There should be some value. So try to add this value thing in your posting part, in your LinkedIn profile as well, because it is the only thing which will give you more visibility and it will help you to reach out more and more people. And you don't know that many guys use LinkedIn only to apply for their job button, but that is not the case. It is the great platform in order to build your profile and even the people might reach out to you to offer a job. It is not always one way, it might be both the ways. So you might apply for the job, or else you can get the job, means someone can directly reach out to you, so that might also happen. So this was the only thing in today's particular video. We will meet in the next one. Till then, grow, learn and explore together.